Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to scan your QR code on TikTok. So, this is an easy process to do. TikTok is update in the last times. So, if you got the ultimate the last option of TikTok, you got the option of QR code in a easy place to find them. So to find this, the first step is go to the application of TikTok here, and after that we need to go to the option of your profile, and here you need to go to the superior right corner in these three lines. In this option, this is the option of settings and privacy, but here we can find the option of my QR code. So you pick here, and in this panel you can see the second option is my QR code. So you pick here, and here you got the code you can give to the people to that people scan that code and can following you, and you can scan the QR code of that people here in the superior right corner, and you can scan that QR code of that people to following that person. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.